I'm on a trike with my little brother,
Hello.
Leon, and it's me. And we're going on a little bike ride on our trike. It's got 3 wheels and 2 seats. And
One steering wheel and one set of pedals.
like, I'm a bit scared because it's gonna crash.
Oh no! How are you gonna crash if you say it?
Somebody's in the board keys.
Over there.
Watch where you're going.
Can you let me?
Look
What?
forward.
I can't. Turning.
You can't do it.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I'm turning.
That way.
Yes, I know. I'm going.
Ooh, watch out.
Get it.
Come on, oh, careful.
No matter.
Watch it up.
Right.
Oh, I'm a bit scared. What? Go to this side.
Right. I need to wait. Right down, go.
We gotta
You
go.
get on that side so they can get past.
Yeah, but you gotta go into the wall. Tired?
No. Now shut up.
Are you not
Give me the
tired?
brush. Go forth and strike.
Go on.
I said go forth and strike. Now shut up.
What are you talking about, you weirdo?
What Lisa said in the game.
Are you a geek? Right, we're going to a dead end.
No, we're not.
Goodbye.